Hey, remember that time we went to that awesome paella class in Barcelona?
Oh yeah, that was so much fun.
Yeah.
When we walked in, each paella station was prepped and ready to go. Each station had its own ingredients because every station was actually making a different kind of paella.
Get your anger out.
Now, just in case, now with the spoon, you're gonna mix it up nice and easy. Olive oil, you're gonna fry it nice and easy. Olive oil and spices. And then what you're gonna do in 10 seconds. And you're gonna shoot the mash. There you go, guys.
Absolutely recommend.
This was, we talked about it, this was the best class of 2021. The thing is that I said this all the time, I know. I never meant it today, I really meant it, guys. You guys are the best, salud. Salud. Man, your wine is awesome.
We just had the most amazing experience at the Paella Club. Let me tell you what, they taught us how to make multiple different types of paella.
8 different types.
This experience was the highlight of our trip.
So much fun, absolutely a recommend. If you're coming to Barcelona, do the paella experience at the Paella